By studying ocean sciences, I've definitely seen that despite the abundance of problems in terms of pollution or climate change, there are many people who are working on solutions, whether it's in research, whether it's a governmental organisation. There is hope in that fact. So today we're here in Millport and we're going to go out on the boat today. We're going to be collecting samples, and this is going to include oxygen, salinity, nutrients and phytoplankton. And we're going to basically, with all the raw data that we've collected on the boat day, formulate our own hypothesis and also find out the importance of the phytoplankton relationship within the water column. So plankton are really important in the drawdown of carbon. So when they die, they mineralize in the ocean sediments, and this is where carbon is stored. The ocean is one of the most important carbon stores on the planet. It's exactly like trees in a forest.
Every year we bring all of our oceanography and marine biology students up here for a week of fieldwork. One of the reasons that we come here is that it helps us teach the students about how cross-disciplinary oceanography is. Students often come to us from their A-levels thinking that they do physics or they do biology or they do chemistry. And what we want them to understand is, if you want to answer some of the really big questions about how the ocean works, you can't think that way. You've got to think by mixing those different scientific disciplines together.
While studying at the University of Liverpool, I've also had the opportunity at interning at the National Oceanography Centre.
The coastal seas all around the world are under increasing pressure from rising sea levels and increased storminess as our weather systems and patterns are changing. And that means we're experiencing more coastal flooding, more coastal erosion, right at the places along the coastline where people and infrastructure are based. Here at the National Oceanography Centre, we work hard to bridge fundamental research and understanding of the ocean into applied science and outcomes and evidence that can be used by governments to make new policy.
There is a perception that oceanography is a small sector. Although that may be true, I've seen firsthand that there is an abundance of careers and opportunities available. It feels really exciting to be a part of a global community, and I'm really looking forward to making a difference.